Reduce traction. Traction allows your tires to grip the road so that you can control your vehicle. Rain, snow, ice, sand, and other materials can limit your traction. Reduced traction can create high-risk driving situations. Describe what happens to traction during rain and snow. Wet roadways. Rain. As rain first hits the road, it mixes with dust and oil on the road. This mix can make the road very slippery until more rain washes the mixture away. Any amount of rain will reduce the traction needed to start, stop, and steer the vehicle. All right, so there's some of your warning signs. Slippery when wet, speed advisory around the sharp curve. Identify the steps to avoid hydroplaning. Hydroplaning is when a tire loses road contact by rising up on top of water and no longer has contact with the road. Hydroplaning occurs. Hydroplaning is caused by a combination of standing water, speed, and tire condition. What action should you take to avoid hydroplaning before driving through water? If you don't know the depth of the water ahead, do not drive through it. If you must drive through deep water, estimate water depth. If the water is just over the rims of your tires, drive slowly in low gear. Water about 2 feet away 2 feet deep can carry away an average car. Buoyancy can make a car seem half its weight. Moving water exerts force on the car. The deeper the water, the stronger the force. When driving at a low speed through water, apply a light brake pressure with your left foot to build friction and create heat on your brake pads. After leaving the water, squeeze the brake pedal lightly to see if your brakes are working normally. Floods cause more deaths than any other weather condition, and 60% are vehicle related. Different types of snow can produce different levels of traction. When fresh snow falls at low temperatures, traction can be fairly good. When traffic packs the snow at places like intersections, traction can be reduced. In sub-zero weather, even the moisture from vehicle exhaust can freeze into dangerous ice on the pavement. Temperatures at or just below the freezing point can create dangerous traction situations. The combination of snow, slushy water, and ice can make road surfaces extremely slippery. Driving techniques for snow. Gentle acceleration, steering, and braking are the keys to vehicle control in snow. Put your vehicle in motion by gently squeezing the accelerator. If your drive wheels slip, release your accelerator and start again. To improve traction on snow, use all-season tires. Many states allow the use of tire chains at certain times. Chains are placed over the tread of the tires to increase traction. Rocking. Often you can move your vehicle out of deep snow, mud, or sand by driving forward a little and then back a little. By repeating this sequence, you can work your way out. This technique is called rocking a vehicle. Check your owner's manual to make sure rocking will not hurt the transmission. Straighten your front wheels. Gently accelerate forward. Do not spin your wheels. Let up on the accelerator. Pause just long enough to let the engine slow. Shift to reverse and gently move backwards. Let up on your accelerator and shift to drive to move forward. Continue this series of movements until your vehicle has cleared tracks that are long enough to drive out. Ice. Be especially alert if temperatures drop below freezing and it is raining. These conditions are just right for snow, ice, and sleet. Predict the worst when ice begins to form. Temperatures will change the amount of traction you will have on ice. If the temperature of ice warms from 0 to 32 degrees Fahrenheit, your traction will be cut in half. Squeeze your brakes lightly to check your traction on icy areas. Only do this at low speeds away from traffic. Slow gradually if your vehicle starts to slide.